All right, welcome everybody. So today I'm just going to cover a few things on when you first open up Fusion on how to get it set up. So when you first open up Fusion, you're going to end up with a screen that looks something like this. So what I recommend to do is um, we generally use Fusion for designing as well as computer aided manufacturing, also known as CAM. So generally I'll go ahead and I'll click for CAM and I'll click get started. So that's going to go ahead and get you started here. Now there are some tutorials that you can watch and things like that. We're going to skip those for now, but you're just going to come over here and you're just going to go ahead. Um, so there are some tutorials that you can watch, but we're going to skip that for right now. But before we do anything else, I want to do a couple things from my settings. So I'm going to go up here to where your initials are. You're going to click on that and you're going to go down to preferences. Okay, so that's going to open up a box or a window. Okay, so that opened up a window. And the first time you open up Fusion, I always recommend to check your settings. So this is going to open up um, these options. These are just your general options. One of the things that we want to check off here is your default modeling orientation. Um, you want that to always have Z up. So you're going to want to make sure that that is checked off. The rest of these settings here should be good. Your pan, zoom, and orbit shortcuts should be set to Fusion. Your default orbit type should be set to free orbit. Um, and everything else should be set up here. Next, we're going to check the units and make sure that the units that we're going to be working in is set up. So we're going to come over here under default units. We're going to click on design. And you want to make sure that your default units for designing are set to inches. Then you're going to check off and click on manufacture and make sure that those are also set to inches. Then you're going to click on simulation. All right. And you want your default units here to also be set to English inches. You're going to go ahead and click apply. All right. So once you click apply, that should be darkened out. Let me just change. All right. So you're going to want to make sure that English for your simulation, your manufacturing is set to inches, and your design is set to inches. And then you go ahead, click apply, and then click OK to close that down. So you just want to make sure that those things are set up. Now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click new so I can start a new design. Make sure that your Z is correct. All right, and now you're ready to go to get started with our designing. So a few other things I'm just going to cover in this video are just some simple tasks or operations, I guess. So up at the top is our ribbon. So these are all of our commands or all of our features, depending on what we're working in. Um, Underneath each one of these icons is a drop down here that has more icons for you to use. All right. If you would like to see one of these um, features in this top without having to click on the drop down, if you just come over here to the three dots, you can pin that to the toolbar and it will pin that up top. All right, so if you don't want to have that pinned, or if there's something up here that you don't want to have up here, you could do the same thing. So say I wanted to not have this revolve up here, I can click on that and not have that pinned to the toolbar. So up at the top is your toolbar, or sometimes I'll call it the ribbon, depending on what that is. Next is the model that you're working in. So here we have right now we're currently in the design model space, or the design workspace. So this is where you can click on this and you can select what workspace you're going to work in. So we work in, generally we're really only in two workspaces, design and manufacture. So those are kind of the two spaces that we're in. This one right here is your save button. All right, so if you want to save your work, you can click on that. This is your file management, or your file drop down. This will give you some options here as well. You have your save here, you have your export if you needed to export something. And then the data plane over here, I call it the waffle. Okay, that's going to bring up all of your folders so that you're going to be able to open up your class period and then open up your folder as well. So just a few little quick tips. Generally, if you're designing or you're modeling, or if you're working in the space, I like to keep this closed. So I just go ahead and click on that X to close that data panel. All right. So just a couple quick little things. Make sure that you're set up correctly and you're ready to go. That's all I got. Thanks a lot.